Hi, I'm Gary. Let's enjoy English together. Today's targets are 1. Opposites, and 2. Phonics WH, W, and WH. Don't forget, let's start the DVD lesson. Next, let's do some actions. Did you remember the actions we did last lesson? Let's do it together. Are you ready? Stand up. Open. Close. Grip. Release. Imagine. Look into. Sit down. Okay, good job. Now, let's do it again. Are you ready? Stand up. Open. Close. Grip. Release. Imagine. Look into. Sit down. Excellent! Hi, it's phonics time. This week we're going to do 2 letters for 1 sound.
2文字で1つの音。
WH, W, and WH. Let's begin. WH is W. What? W.
この音は W の音と一緒です。はじめにタコの口を作ってから勢いよく開きます。
W.
できたかな？
Okay, let's try the W sound together. 1, 2. W. 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 Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? WH is W. What? Are you ready? 1, 2. WH is W. What? Wonderful. Next is WH. WH is who.
WH の後に O が続くときだけ音が変わります。この音は H の音と同じです。運動をして息が切れるときの音。の音だったね。
Okay, let's try the sound together. 1, 2. Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? WH is who. Are you ready? 1, 2. WH is who. Wonderful. It's time to sing. Did you listen to the song, the weather song? Let's sing together slowly, at the same time with me. Are you ready? How's the weather? How's the weather? Look outside. How's the weather? How's the weather? Look outside. It's sunny. It's rainy. It's windy. It's cloudy. It's snowy. It's foggy. It's hot. It's cold. Good job. Now we're going to enter into the bridge.
これから1番目と2番目の間を練習しよう。
I'm going to whistle to the tune.
先生は曲に合わせて口笛を吹くよ。
Let's do it together. Very good. Okay, let's keep going with the second verse.
じゃあ2番目も続けよう。
How's the weather? How's the weather? Look outside. How's the weather? How's the weather? Look outside. It's sunny. It's rainy. It's windy. It's cloudy. It's snowy. It's foggy. It's hot. It's cold. Good job. Okay, at the very last part,
一番最後のところは
you can go la 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 la
ってやってもいいし、
or you can whistle.
ってやってもいいよ。
Got it?
わかったかな？
Okay, please practice this song at home. Okay? Goodbye. It's vocabulary time. Let's review the words you learned last time. It's black. It's white. It's up. It's down. It's left. It's right. It's big. It's small. It's long. It's short. Next, I'm going to give you a small hint. Try to say the answer before I tell you what it is. Are you ready? What is it? It's left. What is it? It's right. What is it? It's up. What is it? It's down. What is it? It's big. What is it? It's small. What is it? It's black. What is it? It's white. What is it? It's long. What is it? It's short. Could you say them all? Well done. Hi! It's chants time. Let's enjoy doing the chants. This week, let's do it together slowly. Are you ready? It's big. It's small. It's left. It's right. It's long. It's short. It's a little. It's a lot. Good job. Hi, it's book time. Let me read it to you again. The title is Opposites.
タイトルは反対。
Written by Gary and Akiko. This is big.
これは大きい。
This is small.
これは小さい。
It's hot.
暑い。
It's cold.
寒い。
He is happy.
彼は嬉しい。
She is sad.
彼女は悲しい。
This is up.
こっちは上。
This is down.
こっちは下。
This is left.
こっちは左。
This is right.
こっちは右。
These are a little.
少しいる。
These are a lot.
たくさんいる。
This is soft.
これ柔らかい。
This is hard.
これ硬い。
The end.
おしまい。
How was that? Goodbye. Hi, my name's Max.
My name is Carla.
My name is Dino.
Now let's play the sound guessing game. Somebody says what? Guess who? Are you ready?
What?
Dad.
Matt.
Who said what?
I did. I said what?
Oh, Carla said what? Did you get it? By the way, what did you say, Max? I said Dad. Dad. I see. How about you, Linda? Linda?
I said Matt. Matt.
I see. Bye, everybody. See you next time. Hey, how was that? Now today's DVD lesson is over. Can you remember today's targets? Today's targets were 1. Opposites, and 2. Phonics, WH, W, and WH. Don't forget. See you next time. Goodbye.